Hi everyone, this is Go again. Today's lecture is training number 7. So let's take a look at the main importance. Measure the extended features. So in this training, we're going to measure a couple of extended features. Let's take a look at the datum. Datum A, which is the top surface of the part for leveling. And datum B, which is the front surface of the part for rotation. Datum C, which is left surface of the part for translation. So after coordinate system is set up, we're going to measure the dimensions by the order of numbers. Dimension number 1 to 6 are the x and y coordinates for those 3 circles. Seven, which is the right surface of the part from the origin. Number 8, rear surface of the part. And number 9 is the bottom surface of the part. And number 10 and 11 are for the center of sphere. Number 12 and 13, the vertex coordinates of the cone. Number 14 and 15 are the distance between the center of this round slot and the center of this circle. 14 indicates as x direction and 15 indicates as y direction. And after that, I'm going to measure A1, 2, 3. So A1 and 2 are the single arcs. Measure the 40 center coordinate from the origin and inspect the radius. A3 is the center radius, same as the single arcs. Center coordinate 40 and radius. I'll explain how to measure round slot and single arc, double arc practice. Okay, let's get to the practice. Measure datum A as a plane for leveling. Then measure datum B as a line for rotation. Then measure datum C, the point, for translation. So after alignment is set up, hide all items of the features for setting up the alignment. And then I'm going to measure 3 circles for dimension number 1 to 6. and input nominal values and tolerances, and sorting out the items. After that, measure a point on the right surface of the part for dimension number 7, and another point on the rear surface for dimension number 8. Input nominal values for those points, and I'm going to measure dimension number 9. But to measure dimension number 9, I'm gonna have to change the probe position to A 90 degrees and B 180 degrees. Then measure a point on bottom surface of the part. Input nominal value as always. So for dimension number 10 and 11, I'm going to measure a sphere with 5 points. Then input nominal values for x and y coordinates. Then to measure dimension number 12 and 13, you're gonna have to change the probe position again to A 90 degrees and B minus 90 degrees. So measure a cone with the 8 points. Measure 2 circular sections, 4 points each. Then input nominal values. So to measure dimensions 14 and 15, I'm gonna have to change the probe position again to A and B 0 degree. So round slot. minimum points required are 5 points, and when you measure, the first 2 points must be on the same line. So calculate calculate the distance between circle 1 and the round slot. Then you can see this window for calculating distance. You have to change the calculating option to X first, and then you can see the actual value has changed. So input nominal and put the and also so input nominal and tolerance. Click apply, and then change the option to Y direction. Then input nominal and click OK. Now you can see the results came out on the result window. So now we're going to measure single arcs. So check the center coordinate box, see if the correct coordinate is input. So first, the one that closest to the center with 2 points, click apply, and measure the other one in the same way. The nominal values, then move on to the double arc. The double arc also the same. You have to put the center coordinate first, then start to measure. I'm going to measure 4 points. But basically, you're going to have to measure 2 single arcs. Then you can get the result of the center radius. So that's it for now. I'll be back with you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.